Hi, if you would like to check the serial number of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then we have two options how to do it. First one is located in the settings. So we would need to open our settings application and here just scroll to the end of the settings list until you just can't go any lower. Here we can find our tab which are we looking for. It's named About Phone. So by clicking on this tab, you'll be able to find here a lot of information about your phone, starting from the product name, ending at both of the EMIs. And here at the first category, we can find our serial number. Here is it on the right side. And if for some purposes you need to copy the serial number, simply hold your finger on the serial number for a few seconds until you'll see this notification copy to clipboard. But now, let me also show you the second way how to check your serial number. For that, we would need to open our phone application and here enter a combination, which is *#06#. After that, on your screen will open this notification with some barcodes and also both EMIs, EID and SN, which is the serial number. You can see it right here. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.